So what I'm going to do in this video is show you how to build a model of the platinum sulfide structure, which is kind of an interesting structure. So first of all, it's built from a combination of square planar and tetrahedral centers. Now we don't have any square planar centers with these models, but what we can do is simply take an octahedron and only use an octahedral center and only use 4 of the prongs. So we're only going to use 4 of the prongs on these and leave 2 of them open. And that's going to be the platinum. And then the sulfur is going to be tetrahedral, which obviously is yellow. Usually you use yellow for sulfur. Alright, so let's start with this. So basically we're going to start out by making a row here, and we're going to connect the platinum ions with these bridging sulfur ions to form these, a row of these diamond-shaped patterns. Alright, so it's going to look like this. We'll keep going. Okay, so basically what we've created is this row of these diamond-shaped patterns. So one more time, the platinum is square planar. It's only going to form 4 bonds. So these platinum ions already have the maximum number of bonds they can have. We're leaving 2 of these open. Okay, the square planar, you only have 4 bonds. So that's one. And now what we're going to do is build another one exactly like that. Okay, like this. Okay, so this one, we bridged 1, and then 2. Okay, and then almost there. Alright, so we built 2 of these now. Try to straighten this up a little bit. Alright, so what we're going to do now is connect these. What we're going to do now is connect these. Right, so every sulfur, every one binds to 4 of the other type. So every sulfur has to connect to 4 platinum. So we're going to bridge these with some platinum ions like that. Okay, so we're going to put another one here and another one here. Okay, like this. Okay, so now we've tied these. We have these 2 parallel rows of these rectangular, or not rectangular, but diamond-shaped patterns, bases, and we're going to tie them together. Now, can you guess where we might want to go with this from here? So every sulfur, like I said, every sulfur connects to 4 platinums. So we're going to come out here, and here, and here, and then out here, and out here, right? So we're going to add these now, like this. Okay, so now we have this. So we're going to add some more sulfide ions now. So can you guess where we're going to go? From here to here and here to here. Okay, let's do this. Okay. Alright, so you should now start to see the pattern, right? So we're going to do the same thing here, and we're going to do the same thing here. So we'll add this. Okay. Okay, are you guys seeing the pattern here? Let's go like this. Okay, so if we wanted to now, we could keep going out this way, or we could keep going out this way. So you should be able to see what we've got going on here is we've got these perpendicular rows of these diamond-shaped patterns. We've got rows running this way, and we have rows running this way. So we have these perpendicular rows of these diamond-shaped patterns. Now, what I'm going to do is, so there's several different ways we could continue to build onto this. Now what I'm going to do is flip this thing over 180. So now we're looking at the bottom. These are the rows that we added, right? So now we're going to do the same thing to this side. So we're going to add a platinum there. Okay, now this thing's starting to get kind of big. We're going to add a platinum there. We're going to add one there. Okay. And then we're going to add one here. Okay, so we're going to do the same thing to this side that we did to the other. So we're going to come off with 6 more. We're going to come off with 6 more platinums here, 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 and here, and here, here, and here. And so we're going to put one there, one there, and one here, and one there, and one there, and one there, right? So can you guess what's coming next? We're going to do the same thing with the sulfurs. Okay, so we'll go there to there. Right? Alright, so there to there, and there to there. Okay. You guys should definitely be seeing the pattern now. Okay. Okay. Like that. And like that. Okay. And we're almost there. And here we go. Okay, and that's it. As far as we're going to go with this here. But it's now symmetrical. We have the same thing on this side as we did on the right side. Here are the two rows that we started with. The two rows that we started with are basically here and here, and then we joined them on the bottom, what's now the bottom, with this rows of these running in a parallel direction, and then we joined them on the top with these rows running also in a parallel direction. Okay, and that's as far as I'm going to go, and we'll stop here.